What were you saying a second ago?
Nothing.
You weren't saying nothing?
No, I didn't say. What I said was, you should bring a magazine to pass the time while I do all the work.
And I said, well, why do that when I have the whole world at my fingertips on this phone? You almost done yet? Come on now. Ain't got all morning.
Now this is my first time. I remember what you told me.
In lock, yeah. And give it a tug to, yeah. If this falls off, it's all your fault. You know that, right? Yeah. Gotta lock again.
Hold flat.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem right.
Good enough? Here, you take it now, we'll see if it falls off or not when I've got it done.
No, I don't think we need to show it. I don't think they need to. These people need to see that. Oh, backwards. It's not my fault because it's already broken. Oops. Subpar equipment. Of kiln dried wood. That's what sounds dry because it is. Perfect.
You're taking 3 sticks.